Ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao. Hey, your Italian is getting always better.
Ciao, amore.
Whoa, yeah.
Ecco, questo gradito a te.
Make Spritz, Aperol Spritz. Apparently it's a very famous drink, it's a very popular drink in Italy.
You have to make an Aperol Spritz.
It's really simple to do it. Just figure it out by yourself. These are the ingredients. You have to pick the right one.
I'm supposed to
This
make
Spritz,
this.
Yeah. Yes.
The sample for you.
This one is mine.
Yeah.
But you have to make another one for us. Let's go.
All right, let's do it.
So I'm not much of a drinker myself. When I drink, I just fall asleep.
All right, so I need to make an Aperol Spritz. The glass. The first thing I need is Aperol. That's right. So a little more. I need to get some ice. Sweet. I'm tasting a little wine. Prosecco. Seems right. Sparkling wine. Alright.
I had to make an Italian drink for Italian. So the pressure was on.
Alright, that seems fine. I'm gonna let it settle a little. I'm gonna take a little soda. Something is off. I'm gonna add some gin. Gin is the thing, definitely. All right, this will add the tangy flavor. And that should be right. And the finale, orange. I'm ready.
I've never actually made alcohol, I never mixed alcohol before. It didn't seem that hard, I mean...
E mi ha colpito anche l'io, è riuscito a fare una mossa.
You did it!
Yeah, it looks exactly the same.
Exactly, insomma.
I mean,
That's your angle, man.
did you have fun making it?
Yeah, of course, I had a lot of fun making it.
Okay, it's like a sunset
You gotta keep it separated.
on Venice Beach.
You see the separation?
Yeah. Arrivato tutto al gin.
Mamma mia. Whoa.
There's something more.
They say it was pretty different, but everything was right there.
I felt it kind of lacked something. So I thought I added a little gin from the Buddha.
Okay, okay.
Sto palato che secondo lui gli mancava.
Lì ci ha messo il gin come fanno proprio gli asiatici nei bar nostri.
I added gin. I think it was the wrong ingredient for them. I thought it was okay. I mean,
It's wrong with gin. Yeah. No, it's totally wrong. Bye bye.
Thank you,
bye,
Leo.
bye, thank you.
Vai.
I tried my best though. Personally, I'm not really sure how gin tastes like. And I think the guys didn't really like it.
Fanno tanti anche da noi così,
Poi sono questioni di gusti. Diciamo che la ricetta originale
dell'Aperol Spritz.
è sempre quella migliore.
Ciao! Avanti coi amici!
Yeah! Today we are here. We are talking about Aperol Spritz. We will always have a Spritz with friends.
So you're gonna make one for us today?
Oh, okay.
This is how it looks. Huh? Beautiful,
Yeah,
right?
Beautiful.
Once you can make the good Spritz,
You're cool.
Yeah.
you are
One of us.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're gonna pick from these ingredients. Some wrong, some light. So yeah, pick whatever you like.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's go.
Okay.
Let's
You can do it.
All right.
We'll be back soon.
They set out the ingredients for us to use and make this drink kind of blindly. I've worked in a bar before, so I knew a little bit about bartending. And okay, a spritz. Should probably taste it first. First, we should get some ice going. That's definitely a drink I've never made or heard of before. I had to go off of taste and color. There we go. Well, maybe the Prosecco first because it's... But you'd always kind of want to go off the color, the consistency, and the flavor. Fizzy, sparkly. And our key ingredient, Aperol. It's all about the color here, huh? There we go. We need our garnish. I think it's too strong, but soda will fix that. A little spritz. All right. I know that I did well in that round because presentation, it's all in the presentation with the garnish, the orange, I know I made it the right way, so.
Hey, hey, hey! Wow, that's
You
loose.
made it!
Can we try it, guys?
Ah, please.
Buono.
È proprio quello degli amici questo. Bravissima!
Wow, it's really good. How did you make the right, ingredients?
Because the guys, when they came back and tasted it, they commented on the color, the consistency. I absolutely killed it in that arena.
Ovviamente Jen ha fatto un ottimo lavoro, come si è visto. Ha seguito proprio una specie di ragionamento per arrivare alla questione. È come se avesse scoperto lei lo spritz. Quello è stato proprio, mi ha colpito molto quella roba là.
First of all, the color was the key indicator of kind of going in the right direction. At first, I made it without the soda water, so I tasted it, garnished it and everything, and then tasted it and it's a little too strong, so soda water.
She made it. Yeah.
Mi sembrava di bere il sprizzetto dei Jumpy.
If that's gonna decide whether or not I get this gig, then I can make a spritz.
I was born to do this.
Maybe, yes.
Yeah, can we take it?
Yeah, sure. I'll take this one.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Cin cin!
Infatti alcuni di loro sono stati molto bravi ad arrivarci subito perché non è semplice, avevano tante distrazioni. È sempre difficile stabilire i vincitori per ogni prova.
I don't know. I think that I've got a really good chance at winning this because
Dave and I are pretty close on this competition, I'd say. I think he's secretly Italian.
You know, seeing some of the other people pick up the bottles and spill them everywhere, like.
I think they definitely had an advantage. I think he probably bartended a bit before. I think Jen did pretty well.
those guys are going down. Jen, Dave, and Leo, doesn't matter. You guys are losers.
They all look like they drink. I'm not sure.
With the exception of the Prosecco bottle, which had been shaken up. So really not my fault.
But the order is really important when you make a spritz. The Prosecco goes first.
E viva ragazzi!
Cincino, amici.
Oggi, dopo tutto il giorno che vediamo chi fa spritz, finalmente abbiamo uno sprizzetto a Cagnati, fatto bene.
Grazie mille, grazie mille. Gli assaggi non erano proprio tutti meravigliosi, eh?
No, beh, Leo, io non so come che l'ha fatto. Magari una roba di DNA, non lo so.
Grandissimo.
Come che l'ha fatto intivare che Dani altri gli mette il gin?
Si vede che è una cosa che viene naturale. Sbagliato comunque, sbagliatissimo. Dave, tutto giusto, grandissimo.
Sì,
L'ordine
sì.
l'ordine è un attimo.
Però quello di Jen era perfetto, ragazzi.
Vabbè, Jen proprio mi ha stupito.
Incredibile.
Cioè sembra proprio che c'abbia lo spritz
Nel sangue.
Nelle vene.
Pazzesco.
Diamo a lei la prova?
Sì, sicuramente.
Sì.
Lei e Dave forse un po' di merito, però anche Dave ha fatto bene.
Ma
Se
però...
stai a vedere però...
Ma però...